Today's topic I'm taking mammary glands. Secondary accessory organ, accessory gland. In human being, pair of mammary gland present. Mammary gland consists of two tissue, glandular tissue and fatty tissue. Okay. In glandular tissue contain 15 to 20 mammary lobe. Okay, contain 15 to 20 mammary lobe. Yes, in mammary lobe beta, alveoli, group of alveoli present. Alveoli open in mammary tubule and mammary tubule open in mammary duct and mammary duct join together form lactiferous duct open in nipple. So this is the accessory gland in female. Now I am taking next topic. What is that? Oogenesis. You know oogenesis. Oogenesis in female. Oogenesis start during embryonic stage. Are you getting my point? Oogenesis. What is a oogenesis? The process of formation of female gamete or ovum called oogenesis. Are you getting my point? The process of formation of ovum is called oogenesis. Where it is take place? It take place in ovary. Okay. Oogenesis complete in 3 phases. What is that? First is called multiplication. Multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. Oogenesis process start during embryonic stage. When fetus inside mother womb. When will oogenesis start? During embryonic stage. When fetus inside mother womb. Oogenesis start. And millions of oogonia are formed. Are you getting my point? What is oogonia? Gamete mother cell. Millions of oogonia formed. After birth, no oogonia is formed. Okay, after birth, no oogonia formed. After formation, oogonia start division. Profess first meiotic division and now it is called primary oocytes. What is formed? Profess first meiotic division. Now it is called primary oocytes. Okay. So in female, primary oocytes are formed during multiplications. Yes. Primary oocytes surrounded by granulosa cell. Okay, primary oocytes surrounded by granulosa cell. Second phase start and this is called the growth phase. In growth phase, primary oocyte surrounded by granulosa cell and form primary follicle. Okay. Millions of primary follicles degenerate from birth to puberty. Puberty means when sex organs start function. So baby birth to puberty, millions of primary follicle degenerate. Only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicle left in baby. Are you getting my point? Now, next, primary follicle surrounded by more granulosa cell. And now it is called secondary follicle. What is the name? Now it is called secondary follicle. Follicle. Okay. So growth phase complete. Now maturation phase. In maturation phase, what happened? Secondary follicle mature, surrounded by more granulosa cell and form the tertiary follicle. It formed tertiary follicle. Okay, and surrounded more granulosa cell. Okay, how can we identify beta tertiary follicle? Due to the presence of antrum. We can identify due to the presence of antrum. In tertiary follicle, antrum present. So we differentiate with secondary follicle. Primary oocyte present in tertiary follicle. Also present in secondary follicle. Now, in tertiary follicle, primary oocyte complete first meiotic division. Are you getting my point? In multiplication phase, prophase first meiotic take place. Now meiotic division complete here. And what is formed? First meiotic division complete. Secondary oocyte or polar body. First polar body is formed. So this is secondary oocyte. After that, tertiary follicle mature and change into the Graafian follicle. It change into Graafian. Tertiary follicle is mature and change into Graafian follicle. Okay. In which what is present? Secondary oocyte is present. Okay. Now Graafian follicle mature, rupture and ovum. Secondary oocyte is free. Graafian follicle mature and rupture, ovum free. Ovum free. And Graafian follicle change into carpus luteum. Okay, what is the use of carpus luteum? Secret progesterone hormone, compulsory for implantation. Are you getting my point? Listen me. First meiotic division complete, ovum release from Graafian follicle. Process is called ovulation. Now, oogenesis process is complete when sperm penetrate in ovum. So when sperm penetrate in ovum, when sperm is penetrate in ovum, second meiotic division take place. And what is formed? Ooted and second polar body. Second polar body degenerate. What is a ooted? Haploid female gamete is called the ooted and formed after second meiotic division, and it take place during fertilization when sperm penetrate in ovum. Second meiotic division complete and ooted form. Ooted is a haploid female gamete combine or fuse with male gamete. Now I am taking systematic representation of oogenesis. Look here. First of all, I already taught you what is formed oogonia. Millions of oogonia are formed in embryonic stage in fetal ovary. By which division? Oogonia, mitotic division. So all are 2n. 46 chromosomes. A oogonia enter in prophase first meiotic division. What is formed? Primary oocyte. Come first meiotic division. First meiotic prophase first. Okay. And what is formed? Primary oocyte. This is primary oocyte. Now, primary oocyte formation. After that, primary oocytes divide by complete first meiotic division. And what is formed? It completes first meiotic division. It forms second first polar body, and it is also formed, what is that? First polar body, and primary oocyte form first polar body or secondary oocytes. First polar body or secondary oocyte is formed, and secondary oocyte divide by second meiotic division when sperm penetrate in ovum. Second polar body and ovum or ooted is formed. Ooted formed. Okay, and this is a haploid female gamete fused with male gamete. Clear? So oogenesis complete after when sperm penetrate in ovum and ooted is formed, or this is after that oogenesis is formed. Ooted is a haploid female gamete. Okay, next topic I will take tomorrow.